Good afternoon, all the management lovers. How are you? I hope that you are fine. So today we are going to talk about another important part in sales and management. So today we are going to talk about mm, behavioral forces. What is the behavioral forces? As customers adjust to a changing environment, so sales have to adopt a variety of influences. Number one, rising consumer and organizational buyer expectations. Number two, customer avoidance of buyer seller negotiations. Number three, expanding power and major buyers. Number four, globalization of markets. Number five, fragmentation of markets. So these are the behavioral forces, and these five parts are really very important. So now I am going to talk about globalization of markets. As domestic market structure saturated, companies are expanding abroad to achieve sales and profit growth. Large companies such as Coca-Cola and Avon products now earn the largest portion of the revenue in foreign markets. The global challenge includes a correct balance between expertise, the host country's sales personnel adapting to different cultures, lifestyle, and languages. So, to original equipment manufacturers in electronics, appliance, automobile, electrical, aerospace, furniture, consumer products, and healthcare. A major challenge for such a traditional corporation in the coordination of global sale terms then sell to companies such as Nortel, Samsung, Siemens, etc., where the customers may be located in over 20 countries and require special terms of sale, technical support, pricing, and customization. As companies expanded into new overseas market, there is need to understand different cultural expectation and to give thought to various cultural issues. Ethical differences are also important in considerations. So what is ethical in one country may be unethical in another. So therefore, multinational companies must take this into consideration even though may be engaged in standardized rather than integrated operations. So fragmentation of markets driven by difference in income levels, lifestyle, personalities, experience and race, markets and fragmenting to form market segment. This means that markets are likely to become smaller with the increasing range of brands market to cater for the diverse needs. Marketing and sales managers need to be adept to identify changes in customer tastes and developing strategies that satisfy increasingly varied and multicultural society. Now I am going to talk about another important part, the technological forces. The importance of technological forces of selling and sales management is reflected in the attention given to this topic. Number one, Salesforce automation. Number two, virtual sale offices. And number three, electronic sales channels. People now seem to be busier than ever trying to achieve a balance between working time and family responsibilities. There are numerous ways in which top online customers have taken to the notion of home-based online shopping, includes auction sites and shopping for groceries. For example, purchase order involves price quotations and delivery dates, reward and promotional information can be exchanged. Technological innovation have made desktop video conferencing possible, enabling sales meeting training. Improved technology has encouraged the creation of virtual offices, allowing sales personnel to keep in contact with head office customers and co-workers. The virtual office can be home to event park. The fastest growing electronic sales channel is the internet. But to change the focuses to the sales term is, for example, the Dell Salesforce are encouraged to form. So this has caused e-commerce sites to explode as they march as then stored in the town for more customers. This topic is actually very big. Another emerging channel is Urdi. The mention it has reduced the national in the field sales forces. Television, home shopping, whereby viewers watch cable television presenters promote anything from jewelry to customer. Electronics and order by telephone is becoming increasingly popular. In effect, in case the presenter is the salesperson, the numbers of channels offering tele is increasing. Other channels offer telephonic during period or not broadcasting program. So guys, this is about technological forces and I hope you can understand. So see you in another day with another class. Thanks for watching this video. See you another day.